The aim of this module is to teach children the concept of rhyming so that they can identify rhyming words and create rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that sound the same on the end. So remember, in the teaching concepts I talked about earlier, that we need to talk about sounds and not letters. So keep that in mind when you're choosing your words. Do these words rhyme? They look like they should. Move and love, they don't rhyme. What about these two? They don't look the same on the end. Who and move, they rhyme. So remember to think about sounds and not letters. Activities include rhyming stories, rhyming bingo, and odd one-out games. Matching or odd one-out activities are easier than generating or saying rhyming words. So start with those sorts of activities. Rhyming skills are phonological awareness skills that are not a strong predictor of later reading success. So do you remember I showed you the continuum back in the introduction section? Rhyming is not a strong predictor of reading success later, but it's an important pre-skill for the children to have. It's also a lot of fun and it gets them attending to sound. So it's important to include, but don't assume that a child who's good at rhyming will go on to be a great reader. Most children can learn how to rhyme, and if they don't, or if you're noticing that they're really not getting rhyming, they may need some more focused assessment and intervention. Alarm bells go off for me for children who really don't understand rhyming. Rhyming activities may seem to be the same, but they can be quite different. So you need to think about the memory load and the difficulty of the task. Now we've done that for you in Sounds Good to Me, starting with easy rhyming activities and moving on to harder ones. As with each other module, I suggest you start by engaging your parents and letting them know that for the next month or so you're going to be really concentrating on rhyming activities, and here are some activities and apps and ideas to use at home so that they can reinforce those activities with their children. You'll find a letter to parents template in the resource tab.